As we have seen earlier, both greedy and non-greedy quantifiers will try to satisfy the overall pattern by varying the amount of characters that are matched by these quantifiers. If that is not desirable, you can use atomic grouping. So when this is applied to a specific subpattern, it will not give back characters that it has already matched. Syntax wise, this is similar to lookarounds. So suppose this is the pattern you want to protect. You need to add backslash at and greater than key as a suffix to this pattern. Let us see an example where a naive solution using greedy quantifiers will cause an issue. Our goal is to replace numbers greater than or equal to 100 irrespective of any number of leading zeros. So suppose this is the input and we want to surround numbers greater than or equal to 100 with parentheses. So this is a naive solution using greedy quantifiers and that causes some issues. So let us see why. 0 star matches leading zeros and we need to match a digit character 3 or more times. So this will help to match numbers greater than or equal to 100. Replacement is surrounding the matched portion with parentheses, but this solution will not work for all numbers. So as you can see, even 035 is surrounded by parentheses. Why? If you go back to the substitution command, 0 star is a greedy quantifier, but it will give up the zeros it has matched in order to match the overall pattern. So that's why this failed. So let us undo that. If we wanted to stick with greedy quantifiers, we can change this pattern a little bit. So instead of matching a digit character at the start, we can change it to 1 to 9. So now 0 star and 1 to 9 cannot conflict. Whatever this has matched will play no role when it comes to matching 1 to 9. So one digit is taken care here. So we need to reduce this to 2. So now you can see only these two numbers are surrounded by parentheses. Instead of all this, we can also use atomic grouping. So let's go back to the first solution. So this is where we faced an issue because 0 star gave up the characters it has matched for this pattern. So now we need to protect this sub pattern from giving back the digits it has matched. So we'll make this a atomic grouping. So to do so, we need to add backslash at and greater than key. So this entire thing is our atomic grouping. Whatever is matched inside this will not be influenced by what comes later. So you can see only these two numbers are matched. In case of 035, this sub pattern matches the first 0 and it will not give back that character. So backslash D cannot match 3 digits because 0 is taken care by this atomic grouping. So now we get the solution that is desired.